Today's hike is at Coyote Wall Trailhead. If you can't tell from this GoPro footage, my dog Argo is very excited about this one. Who is Argo, you may ask? He is my 5-year-old, super high energetic German Shepherd. This is a hike that we regularly do because for us it's relatively short. It's about 6 miles, has 1,800 feet of elevation gain, and this hike tends to tire out Argo pretty good, so it's one of the reasons why I like to do it. He just has too much energy sometimes. There are several little waterfalls along this trail, along with several little water crossings that Argo was very excited about. I bring plenty of water for both of us on our hikes, but for some reason Argo just never wants to drink the water that I give him, so he will drink it out on the trail, even though that's not my favorite because it could make him sick, but he absolutely refuses to drink the water I have for him. Not sure why. I've been wanting to fix that, but it's a little difficult. I don't know if I'll ever be able to fix that little habit of his, but as long as he drinks something, I guess I'm happy. Argo. Hi, baby. You want some water? Look at there. Right here. Don't go down here. Come on, let's go. There you go. Ain't a big booty. Along this hike, you can see spectacular views of Columbia River Gorge. You can also see Oregon. You can also see Mount Hood, which is one of several mountains in this area. Buddy, looks pretty cool. Not too close. Our first hike together was also in the Columbia Gorge, but on the Oregon side, and I remembered I had stopped to take a break to grab a snack or something. Argo was on a decently long leash, but I had turned around and had seen that he was sitting at the top of this hill with a bunch of light purple flowers next to him, and he was just overlooking the canyon that we were climbing on top of. He just looked so mesmerized by the view, and I thought it was super cute. So from then on, I figured, oh, he would probably like hiking, so let's continue hiking and go to more places. Since then, we've gone to plenty of places, done lots of hiking. He's seen lots of views. He absolutely loves it. Argo has also had some of the best pooping spots a dog could ask for. Once you reach the top of this trail, it enters into a wooded area. Previously, when we've done this hike, we haven't gone up into this area, so this was the first time that we did. Immediately upon entering the woods, there's like some creepy abandoned looking buildings. Turns out there's a abandoned winery up here. Saw a random hiker and his biker somehow quietly came up out of nowhere and scared me. As we continued walking into the woods, we also smelled a skunk and it was very strong, so I was kind of worried that it was in the area. Luckily, we never saw it.
Where's he at?
There's a car right down there. I know. Thanks for joining Argo and me on the trail today. Do you have a favorite trail you love taking your dog to? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you found this video at least slightly entertaining. Until next time, goodbye!